Hi there. In this video we are going to see basic concept of representation theory. We have covered so far the subjects that you can see in the slide. We defined a group to be a set with an operation. It had multiple properties like closure, associativity, identity, and inverse. We saw a group acting on an object. So the elements of the group are really abstract. We had to give an example to see what it means really. We had different examples of group like the cyclic group C4 which had like 4 elements, or rotation group which has like infinity many elements. So the groups can be finite or infinite. We have the concept of group action. Suppose we have a set X. The elements of the group can act on this set. Like for example, rotating a vector or permuting some objects. So the sigma is of our group and A and B and C are our set. We want to have a bridge between these abstract group objects and concrete matrices. We are looking for an homeomorphism which can represent the group objects as matrices. So this is what the group representations mean. We can combine representation when we have them. Get a block diagonal form of this representation. So we put this on the diagonal of the matrix and this is the direct sum of the representation. We can have different kind of representation, like regular representation. We are going to let the group act on the function over itself. So what this means? It means it acts on the input of the function. So you can see a visual of this also. So we can have a like trivial representation which maps everything to identity. So everything is trivial and not interesting. And we can have a standard representation like for the group SO2. We can show it by this matrix which rotates the 2D vector by an angle. Why we need representation in deep learning? In standard neural network don't have an understanding of symmetry. They need a huge dataset to learn invariance. But we can build the symmetry into the architecture. We can use group representation and design equivariant layers. And this leads us to the automatic symmetry understanding.